Hello everyone, welcome back here to Canning Farms, and hope you can hear me. There's just a bit of cutting going on behind me, and today we are cleaning out the shed again. So this is the shed you would have seen last year that I cleaned out, and we're going to go at it again. So I'd like to clean out this bit here where the cattle are getting tested and things like that, where their handling unit is about twice a year. So what we're going to do is, I scraped out the worst of it, but as we go along I'm going to have to stop every so often, get the wheelbarrow, shovel stuff up, but basically we're just going to clear out all the back of here. So we'll get at that. And everybody was giving out the last time I washed the shed that I had no eye protection on, so not only am I safe, but I look extremely cool.
My heart starts beating when my headlights shining on her. She's my country girl. I couldn't tell you what she's doing with me. She's so damn out of my league. She's a little bit crazy on the weekends, dancing in her red dress, and I love the way she looks in my eyes. And I'm feeling like midnight's getting closer, and I just wanna hold her in my arms till the sun comes up. She's a little bit country, yeah, she's my country girl. She's a little bit country, yeah, she's my country girl. She can let her hair down, but got her feet on the ground. I can't get enough of her. She can drive me so wild, just with that sweet smile, and there's nobody else for me. My heart starts racing every time I'm looking at her. She's my country girl. I couldn't tell you what she's doing to me. She's so damn out of my league. She's a little bit crazy on the weekends, dancing in her red dress, and I love the way she looks in my eyes. And I'm feeling like midnight's getting closer, and I just wanna hold her in my arms till the sun comes up. She's a little bit country, yeah, she's my country girl. She's a little bit country, yeah, she's my country girl. Guitar. Yeah. All right. Wouldn't lie to you. Doesn't matter what I do. She's got a hold on me. Ha. She's a little bit crazy on the weekends, dancing in her red dress, and I love the way she looks in my eyes. And I'm feeling like midnight's getting closer, and I just wanna hold her in my arms till the sun comes up. She's a little bit country, yeah, she's my country girl. She's a little bit country, yeah, she's my
Can't turn the tide. The water going where it wants to go. You can run and hide. You can bury yourself beneath the stones. Somebody told take a breath. Let me be a part of something real. Someone said it's better when you hold on to a helping hand. Sometimes we could all use a friend. Don't let your fear decide. That's how you break inside. You don't need to worry. Somebody's waiting down the line to pick up the pieces. Hey, you'll be alright. You'll be alright. Waiting down the So don't let your fear decide. That's how you break inside. You don't need to worry. Somebody's waiting down the line to pick up the pieces. Hey, you'll be alright. There will be someone waiting down the line.
Do you remember when we first met? I thought my eyes would fall straight out of my head. Guess we all living proof of love at first sight. But now we both see love in a different light. Keeping love alive is a tricky thing. You gotta let it fly, gotta give it wings. If you wanna make it right, bloom and thrive. Don't hold on too tight, you know you gotta try. Keeping love alive. Keeping love alive. Still here we are, my friend, over 10 years down the road. 3 kids in a big old house, can't wait happy alone. I've gotta give it to you, don't know how you find the time. Making all ends meet while running down that line. Keeping love alive is a tricky thing. You gotta let it fly, gotta give it wings. If you wanna make it right, bloom and thrive. Don't hold on too tight, you know you gotta try. Keeping love alive. Keeping love alive, oh, it's a tricky thing. You gotta let it fly, I gotta give it wings. If you wanna make it right, so bloom and thrive. Oh, don't hold on too tight, you know you gotta try. Yeah, keeping love alive, oh, it's a tricky thing. Well, you gotta let it fly, you gotta give it wings, yeah. If you wanna make it right, so bloom and thrive. Don't hold back too tight, well, you gotta try. Yeah, yeah, oh, keep love alive. Well, keep love alive. Yeah, yeah, oh, keep love alive. Yeah, 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 yeah. Keep love alive.
And now that is completely done there now. So as you can see, a lot brighter, a lot cleaner. So I done the lights as well with the power hose when I was there. They're crushed now. it's just going to get a bit of a grease down. So with white grease, you don't use WD-40 or normal grease on it, you use white grease. It doesn't let the muck stick on it too bad. So yeah, it came out really well now. So that's all disinfected and everything. So another job done. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Like I said, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.